Lesson 2, Unit 3. The Program Management Lifecycle. Just like managing a project, managing a program also uses a cycle approach. The Program Management Lifecycle involves the coordination of various projects in a sequential manner. As mentioned before, there are three major phases in the program management cycle: program definition, program delivery, and program closure. Under each one of these phases, there are sub-phases that define the processes to manage a program. The program management cycle contains the following phases and sub-phases. The program definition has the sub-phases of formulating and justifying the program and planning and authorization to start work. Program delivery consists of the sub-phases to implement and integrate the work of all projects in the program and monitor and adapt the plans as needed. And program closure includes the sub-phases to evaluate the program and perform the processes to close and transition all projects. The program definition activities typically occur as the result of an organization's plan to fulfill strategic objectives or achieve the desired state within an organization's portfolio. This is the phase where a new program is identified, designed, and funded. Program definition looks at the strategic objectives of the organization, which can be addressed by the program. The major sub-phases in this phase are the formulation of the program and its justification, and the planning and authorization of the program. In this sub-phase, the organization works to develop a program proposal, which will include the identification of ideas and solutions and other studies, and develop some early estimates of scope, resources, and cost. It will develop the initial risk assessments and develop a program concept note. The organization will identify a program donor, develop a program proposal, and will include the participation of key stakeholders in the design of the program. An important step in this phase is to ensure the program is aligned with the organization's strategy. During this sub-phase, the program organization is defined, and an initial team is deployed to develop the program management plan. Key activities in this sub-phase include the development of the program charter and its governance structure, the deployment of the initial program organization, including the appointment of a program manager, and the development of the program management plan. Once the plans have been approved, the program manager will authorize the initiation of program activities and communicate with stakeholders. The program delivery phase includes activities to produce the intended results of each program component in accordance with the program plan. This phase is iterative and integrative. That means that the program manager will work to ensure the various project outputs are integrated and delivered in a cohesive approach to deliver the intended benefits and ensure alignment with the program goals. In this subphase, the program team develops a program plan, which is the compilation of the different project plans developed by each project team. The program plans will help implement and monitor the program components, including program work not included in the scope of each project. The program components are integrated to facilitate the management and delivery of program benefits. The program manager monitors and adapts the program plans and facilitates the interaction amongst projects, manages changes, and mitigates risks. Each project manager provides a status report on the progress, and the information is integrated to allow a comprehensive status of the program. As the program makes progress, there will be instances where changes are required to help the program and its projects adapt to changes in the environment. All changes go through a change request process and are analyzed and approved before they are implemented. After all program components produce deliverables and coordinate the successful delivery of their products, services, or results, they may be closed or transitioned into another program and then closed. In the program closure phase, the program manager performs a controlled and orderly closure of the program on all the projects following contract clauses. Evaluation can include a midterm evaluation to measure the effectiveness of the program and determine changes to improve effectiveness for the remainder of the program. The final evaluation will measure the effects and impact of a program and draw conclusions and recommendations for future programs. This will also include the capture and dissemination of the program's lessons learned to key stakeholders. In this phase, the program is formally closed and transitioned. This will happen after the program has delivered the intended benefits. The closure process provides guidance on the systematic closure of a program. The closing plan will follow the contract and agreement requirements from the donor or donors. This subphase also addresses the transition of program deliverables to external stakeholders or transitions program processes and learning into the next relevant program, including the communication of the exit strategy to beneficiaries, key stakeholders, partners, and other groups that were involved in the program. This step also includes the application of the program's sustainable strategy. Managing a program in phases helps integrate the program as a continuous effort. Different people may be involved in the different phases, but the use of a cyclical process ensures that the outputs from one phase are used as input for the next phase.